Hi students, welcome to Whichcam YouTube channel. So there is a latest news update and most of you might be aware also, but I am going to tell you some in-depth analysis of this notification. Okay, so this is the public notice released just today, just now, and postponement of JEE mains for the April session. Okay, so here you can clearly see April schedule is for 27th, 28th and 30th April. However, looking at the present situation, you can understand around 2 lakh, more than 2 lakh cases of COVID. A sharp increase in number of COVID cases has found during the लास्ट 1 or 2 days. 1-2 दिन के अंदर ही 2 लाख से ऊपर नया कोविड केस उभर के आया है और उसका रिकवरी रेट बहुत कम है. Main problem is that the second wave after the first wave, the recovery rate was very good in the first wave, but here recovery rate is very less, and the sharp increase, this much amount of increase was not found in the first wave. पहले वेव में इतने तरह से बढ़ोतरी नहीं हुआ था, बट यहाँ पर अभी सेकंड वेव में बहुत ज़्यादा शार्प इंक्रीज होने लगा. तो इसको मद्देनज़र रखते हुए, बाई कीपिंग दिस इन व्यू, जैसे ऑलरेडी यू नो दैट CBSE, ICSE, ISC and many state boards like Telangana already postponed their exams and some exams are cancelled. Okay, so in all cases most of the 10th class students are given choice whether they are happy with the present 10th class examination cancelled, then they can opt for the directly with the marks given by their internal assessment. And there is a word used called as uh, in place of the internal assessment they called it as a objective criteria. Okay, so what is objective criteria? Already I have explained in my previous videos. Unbiased assessment system for the ICSE students, that is also I have explained. Now in this video I am going to explain when the exams are going to be in the for the April session, and for the May session will it be there or not, depending on the wording they used here, and it is my anticipated guesswork. Okay, so here you can check revised date for the JEE Main 2021 April session will be announced later and at least 15 days before the examination. Already you might have known that CBSE exams will be decided on the June 1st. So that means after reviewing the situation of the COVID situation, they will take the decision in the June 1st. And most probably keeping that point in our mind, the decision will be taken in the month of the May only, not in the April. Okay, because the upsurge, the amount of increase in number of cases, I don't think they will be slashed down within a 1 or 2 weeks. So it may take at least 1 month time. So after 1 month time, if they take a meeting, then at the end of the May, or again you can take it as a June also. If they take the decision in the June, then the exams will be from the June 15th most probably, or in the first week of June also possible if they take decision in the May 20 or 25. So, and if they are conducting the April session, obviously the May will be most probably 99% it will be cancelled. Instead of conducting 4 times, they may take average of 3 times, because already we have seen 90%, 90 to 95% of students are already attended. Only 5 to 10% students, if they are given with so much of time, they can definitely utilize this time and attempt finally in the April session, which is going to be conducted in the May or June first week. It is my anticipation, and May exam may not be conducted. So try to continue your studies and keep a track on the news about the postponement or cancellation of any news regarding the JEE mains. Also, need students also can follow my channel, and you can follow me on my Instagram, you can follow me on my YouTube channel, you can follow me on my Telegram group, joining Telegram group where you will be guided with the latest news updates about the educational field, not only for IIT JEE. So I advise all of you to take care of your health and don't go outside of your house, and continue to study without giving any break. If you want to take break, you can take break for 1 or 2 days, but try to continue the studies and utilize this extra time you are going to get. Don't get distracted by unnecessary things. Thank you. Bye bye from Wijcam.